Welcome to Learn Filipino. This is Donna. Our lesson is all about naming things with nouns. This lesson aims to give you Tagalog translation on naming things with nouns. All nouns, which are things, in this lesson are in bold text. People, animals, places, and things need names. A term for an idea, be it real, workable idea, or a fantasy, is a noun. The part of a speech that names them is a noun. Vocabularies for this lesson. Some of these vocabularies are commonly used in your houses. Stove, kalan, frying pan, kawali, pot, palayok, noodles, pansit, spring rolls, lumpia. Ingredients, mga sangkap, cupboards, paminggalan, spoon, kutsara, knife, kutsilyo o panghiwa, plate, plato o pinggan, fork, tinidor, glass, baso, cup, tasa. TV, telebisyon, table, mesa, sofa, sopa, window, bintana, door, pintuan o pinto, bed, higaan, papag o kama, closet, aparador, sheets, kumot, pillow, unan, towel, tuwalya, soap, sabon, lotion, lotion, shampoo, shampoo, toothpaste, toothpaste, toothbrush, sipilyo. Other links for audio translations can be found at this link, and some audio translations on nouns can be found on this link. The dialogue. Part 1 at the kitchen. Peter, can you please help me cook? Peter, pwede bang pakitulungan mo akong magluto? Can you, pwede bang, please help, pakitulungan? The prefix paki means please. Tulong means help. Me, akong, or ako. Cook, magluto. Sure, sige, or okay. Can you please check the frying pan? I also need a pot. Pwede bang pakitingnan mo ang kawali? Kailangan ko rin ang palayok. Can you, pwedeng, can be pwede bang. Please check, pakitingnan. The frying pan, ang kawali. I also need, kailangan ko rin, pat, palayok, sure, sige, okay, here they are. What are we going to cook? Heto sila. Ano ang lulutuin natin? Here they are. Heto sila. What? Ano? Going to cook? Lulutuin? Luto means cook. We means natin. I will cook noodles and spring rolls. They're always everyone's favorite. Magluluto ako ng pansit at lumpia. Ang mga ito ay laging paborito ng lahat. I will cook. Magluluto ako. Luto means cook. Ako means I. Noodles, pansit, spring rolls, lumpia. They, ang mga ito, are, I, always, laging, favorite, paborito, everyone's, ng lahat. The word everyone without the apostrophe S means lahat. Yummy! Would you like me to prepare the stove now? Sarap! Gusto mo bang ihanda ko na ang kalan? Yummy! Sarap! Would you like? Gusto mo bang? To prepare, ihanda, the stove, ang kalan. Sure, thanks. Sige, salamat. I'll just check the ingredients I need. Hanapin ko lang mga sangkap na kailangan ko. I will just, hanapin ko lang, the ingredients, ang mga sangkap na kailangan ko, I need. Or I need means na kailangan ko. Are we expecting someone to join us for dinner? Meron ba tayong inaasahan na sasali sa atin sa panghapunan? Are we expecting? Meron ba tayong inaasahan to join, na sasali us, sa atin, for dinner, sa panghapunan? Some nieces and nephews are coming over and will stay with us for the weekend. May mga pamangkin na darating at maglalagi dito hanggang Linggo. Some nieces and nephews. May mga pamangkin. Pamangkin can be translated to either nephew or a niece. Are coming, na darating, will stay, maglalagi dito, for the weekend, hanggang Linggo. I would love to prepare the table now. Where can I find the plates, forks, spoons, glasses, or cups? Gusto ko nang ihanda ang mesa. Saan ko ba mahahanap ang mga plato, tinidor, kutsara, baso, o tasa? I would love. Gusto ko nang prepare, ihanda, table, ang mesa. Where can I? Saan ko? Find, mahahanap. Plates, ang mga plato. Fork, tinidor. Forks means mga tinidor. Spoon, kutsara. Spoons mean mga kutsara. Glass, baso. Glasses mean mga baso. Cup, tasa. Cups mean mga tasa. The word mga converts a singular word into plural. Other examples: rooms, mga silid. Chairs, mga tilya. Clothes, mga damit. Shoes, mga sapatos. Knives, mga kutsilyo. Wait, can you please pass the knife to me? Sandali. Pwede bang pakipasa yung kutsilyo sa akin? Wait, sandali. Can you? Pwede. Please pass. Pakipasa. The knife, iyang kutsilyo. To me, sa akin. Here it is. Eto. Okay, I'm ready to prepare the table. Sige, handa na akong gawin ang mesa. Okay, sige, I am ready. Handa na ako. To prepare, gawin. The table, ang mesa. All the things you need are in the upper cupboards. Ang lahat ng mga kailangan mo ay nasa taas na paminggalan. All the things, ang lahat ng mga. You need, kailangan mo. Are, ay, in the, nasa, upper, taas, cupboards, paminggalan. Thanks for helping me. I appreciate it. Salamat sa pagtulong mo sa akin. Pinapahalagahan ko ito. Thanks, salamat, for helping, sa pagtulong mo, me, sa akin. I appreciate, pinapahalagahan ko, it, ito. You're welcome, walang anuman. Can we watch a movie before we go to sleep? Pwede ba tayong manood ng sine bago tayo matulog? Can we? Pwede ba? Watch, manood. Movie, sine. Before, bago. We, tayo. Go to sleep, matulog. That sounds like a good idea. Mukhang maganda yung iniisip mo. That sounds, mukhang, good idea, maganda iyang iniisip. Sure. Let me check which one is good to watch. Sige. Tingnan ko kung ano ang magandang panoorin. Sure. Sige. Let me check. Tingnan ko. Which one? Kung ano is good. Ang magandang. To watch. Panoorin. Make sure it is good, Maria. Everyone wants to have fun. Siguraduhin mo lang maganda, Maria. Bawat isa sa atin ay gustong magsaya. Make sure, siguraduhin, it is good, maganda. Everyone, bawat isa sa atin. Other term is lahat. Okay, I have one here now. Could you please turn on the TV and let us watch this? Okay. Mayroon akong isang nakita. Pwede bang pakibuksan ang telebisyon at panoorin natin ito? I have. Mayroon akong isang good deal. Pwede bang? Please turn on, pakibuksan the TV, ang telebisyon. Let us watch. Panoorin natin. This, ito. Sure. Sige. Wow. I am a Casey and Piolo fan. I would enjoy this one. Wow. Tagatangkilik ako nila Casey at Piolo. Matutuwa ako dito. I am a fan. Tagatangkilik ako. I would enjoy. Matutuwa ako. This one, ito. Me too. Ako rin. I think we need some extra chairs. Sa palagay ko, kailangan natin ng iba pang mga silya. I think, sa palagay ko, kailangan natin some extra ng iba pang chairs, mga silya. The sofa could accommodate the 3 of us. Pwede kaming 3 sa sofa. Sofa, could accommodate, pwede. The 3 of us, kaming 3. 3 means 3. Okay. I will grab additional chairs from the kitchen. Sige. Kukuha ako ng mga iba pang mga silya sa kusina. I will kukuha ako additional ng mga iba pang chairs, mga silya. The kitchen, sa kusina. Kusina means kitchen. Thanks, Peter. Salamat, Peter. That was fun. Ang saya. It was. Talaga. I think all of us are ready for bed. Sa palagay ko, lahat tayo ay handa nang pumunta sa higaan. I think, sa palagay ko, all of us, lahat tayo, ready, handa, bed, higaan. Let me just check the windows and the doors if they are locked. Tingnan ko lang ang mga bintana at mga pintuan kung lahat ay nakakandado. Let me just check. Tingnan ko lang. The windows, ang mga bintana, the doors, ang mga pintuan, if they are, kung lahat, locked, nakakandado. The word there is translated as ang. Shirley and Tricia will use the bedroom in the hallway. Paul and Antonio will use the one close to my bedroom. You have extra sheets and pillows in the closet if you need more of them. Si Shirley at si Tricia ang gagamit sa silid tulugan sa may pasilyo. Si Paulo at si Antonio ang gagamit sa silid tulugan na malapit sa silid ko. Mayroong mga ibang kumot at unan sa aparador kung kailangan nyo pa ang iba. Willios gagamit. The bedroom, sa silid-tulugan. Just the word silid is fine to translate the word bedroom. Other Tagalog terms for it are kwarto, higaan. The hallway, pasilyo, close to, malapit sa. Thanks, Auntie. Good night. Salamat, Tita. Magandang gabi. Part 4, morning time. Good morning, Auntie. Magandang umaga, Tita. Good morning, magandang umaga. Aunt or Auntie, Tita. Good morning, Tricia. Do you want to go shopping today? So good morning should be magandang umaga, Tricia. Gusto mo bang mamili ngayong araw na ito? Good morning, magandang umaga. Do you want, gusto mo bang to go shopping, mamili today, ngayong araw na ito? Yes, I would love to. Opo, gusto ko. Excuse me for a minute. I need to get in the bathroom. Mawalang galang po. Kailangan kong pumasok sa banyo. Excuse me, mawalang galang. Excuse me can just be used as it is without translation, like the word sorry. It's very common for Filipinos to use this word as it is. I need, kailangan kong, to get in, pumasok, bathroom, banyo. Okay, sige. Auntie, would you please share some of your towels? Auntie, or Tita, pwede bang pakipahiram ako ng tuwalya nyo? Would you? Pwede bang? Please share, pakipahiram. The word paki is used as a prefix to emphasize the word please. Towel, tuwalya. Other term is pamunas. Sure. I'm not too sure if there are toothpaste and soap in the bathroom. Could you please check them in the cupboards if there are new ones? I remember I bought a bottle of shampoos and lotions lately, but I'm not too sure if other stuff you might need are all there. Oo naman. Hindi ko alam kung mayroong toothpaste o sabon sa banyo. Pwede bang pakitingnan mo sa paminggalan kung mayroong bago? Naalala ko, bumili ako ng shampoo at lotion kamakailan lang, pero hindi ko alam kung nandyan lahat ang mga ibang kakailanganin mo. Sure? Oo naman. Sometimes these words oo naman is better to use than just saying okay or sige, which are other Tagalog terms of the word sure. Oo naman shows sincerity more. I'm not too sure. Hindi ko alam. If there are, kung mayroong toothpaste, soap, sabon, bathroom, banyo. Other term is paliguan. Could you? Pwede bang? Please check. Pakitingnan. The word paki emphasizes the word please. I remember, naalala ko. I bought, bumili ako. Shampoo, lotion, Lately, kamakailan lang. Pero, I am not too sure. Hindi ko alam. If, kung, other stuff you might need. Mga ibang kakailanganin mo are all there. Nandyan. Sure, thanks. I should be okay. Sige, salamat. Okay lang po ako. The end. More lessons at learnfilipino.org or follow us through Google Plus and Facebook. Thank you.